Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Bhandari and I am a student of Amapali Group of Institute pursuing Masters in Computer Application. I would like to put some of my words on the topic impact of coronavirus on tech industry. The initial outbreak of the coronavirus in China has disrupted global supply chain, but as the outbreak has gone into a global pandemic, the consequences have even become more far-reaching and less predictable. There are many industries in the world that are facing major problems due to this outbreak. They are unable to function well in the global level. The governments of the countries have imposed lockdown to their nation and to these industries as well for the security of the people. Everything has its positive as well as negative side. So with this lockdown too. Nature is flourishing well, but culture, society, growth came to standstill. As per my sector analysis, various sectors have shown a sudden fall in their growth and revenue. Somehow, IT industry is continuing its struggle and still trying not to fall into pieces. So I would like to present my research on both aspects, positive as well as negative. Let's begin with negative impacts of coronavirus on tech industry. The revenue of IT industry in India is majorly dependent on US and European markets. Various IT projects are getting postponed by the customers. Second, travel restrictions. Movement of IT officials from India to other countries for the project development is being restricted by the respective governments, resulting impact on revenues. According to some reports published by Economic Times, there are some major key factors related to other industries. Lockdown could have deeper impact. 52 respondents foresee job losses. Revenue may fall over 10%. Let's begin with positive impacts of coronavirus on tech industry. First point, innovation. One of the major problems faced by rural areas is network issue and the use of digital currency. There are a number of rural banks which still do not have the feature of online banking. As with this lockdown, there may be a need of online banking, digital payment system and good network connectivity for the education of students in rural areas. For all these software demand, increased bandwidth and electronic and semiconductor devices need will be increased. Therefore, IT industry may have a chance of showing positive movements in the revenue. Also, IT sector will be trying to introduce new technologies to their customers like use of lithium ion polymer batteries for the laptop as to provide longer talk time to the laptops. Second point is self-productivity. Nowadays, we all are using applications like Zoom, Skype, Google Classroom, WebEx Meet, etc. Therefore, we are slightly leaning towards this technology. People are getting in trend with these technologies. They are relying on these and learning new things from it. By using of this technology, security is the major concern. So big IT giant may find these opportunities to develop an application or creating application interfaces for securing the communication so that the meeting would be safe. No intrusion of the malicious user and the data of the user would be kept safe. Third point, training and research. Before the lockdown, all the official meetings for training, research and education was done in person. There were on-site meetings which was very expensive as industries used to send their official members to other places which requires accommodation of that individual. Also, it was very expensive. After the lockdown, all the official meetings are being done online, resulting less expenditure on accommodation and traveling. According to a report, AICT, All Indian Council of Technology, almost saved around 17.5 lakhs on meetings of researchers, as they do not have to pay any traveling allowance and other expenses. In future, use of online platform may help in training and research. Fourth point, medical and research. In this global pandemic, IT industries are helping government in a very beautiful manner. They are helping in making of application for tracking and monitoring of the COVID-19 patients. For example, Arogya Setu is a mobile application developed by the government of India to connect essential health services with people in fight against the novel coronavirus. So at last, I would like to end with a beautiful saying. Your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, hard work, your life will start to change. Stay safe. May God bless us all. Thank you.